Imagine a world, a canvas blank, waiting to be filled with vibrant colors, innovative designs, and your unique vision. That's the world of a graphic designer. In this realm, we create magic, transforming simple ideas into captivating visuals. Welcome to the world of a freelance graphic designer on Upwork, where creativity meets technology. Here, we breathe life into concepts, making them tangible, engaging, and impactful. Whether it's an electrifying sports logo or a sleek brand identity, we've got it covered. From the initial sketch to the final masterpiece, every step is an adventure. This is not just about creating designs, it's about telling stories, your stories. So step into this world where ideas take shape and dreams become reality. Remember, in the world of graphic design, the only limit is your imagination. Welcome and enjoy the journey. This is your 60 seconds of inspiration, motivation, and information about the world of a freelance graphic designer on Upwork. Stay tuned for more.